There are a few games which have so much anticipation and excitement surrounding them upon their release. The Last of Us Part 2 does just exactly that. Hey everybody, it's Unbox Everything, and today we're going to be unboxing The Last of Us Part 2. So this is the envelope that I received today. I haven't opened it yet, and I'm really excited. So we're just going to open it straight from its card envelope. And this is basically the game edition, and it comes with a bunch of free stuff basically. Got some more things in here. Right, so real quick unboxing. So here it is. Here's the game itself. The game is actually just a standard edition. It's not like, you know, collector's edition or anything, but for some reason Game have decided to throw in a bunch of stuff that they do. So this is the game edition, and they have like a bunch of other collectible editions. I just got this because I saw it and I was like, this is pretty cool. So this is the game itself. Let's have a look at what else we get. So they've included some badges, which is pretty cool. They're just kind of pin badges, and one of them says The Last of Us Part 2. And the other one actually is a little picture of what I would have thought is Firefly, but I'm not sure if it is a Firefly. If you guys know, if you played the first game, the Fireflies is like a group of people inside the lore, inside the game world, whom you're trying to find in the first game. So that's the badges. And then you get like a keyring, keychain holder, which is pretty cool, and I think I'm definitely going to be using this. So yeah, it's just a keychain holder. It doesn't feel too sturdy. I mean, it feels a bit flimsy, but it looks cool. I will be using this for sure. I mean, the look of it's really cool because it has The Last of Us Part 2 engraved on it as well, which is really cool. I don't know how this will work really, to be honest. I suppose it goes on you clip it onto your trousers maybe or something, and then you can just hook something else onto the end here. But it doesn't have to have just one use for keys, for example. You can find many other uses for it. And finally, you just get a tote bag. So here is the bag itself. So the bag has The Last of Us Part 2 on the front. And actually, once you spin it around the back, you actually have the, again, Firefly's emblem. And it's the same drawing that we saw on the badge. So you guys can probably see it now in more detail. And it looks pretty sweet. It looks pretty cool. I mean, that is just a great design overall. Regardless of whether it's from the game or not, it looks pretty cool. And I definitely will be taking this on shopping trips. Going to be, you know, representing The Last of Us Part 2 when I go shopping, right? Because you have to. And that's kind of it. That's all you get. I'm very excited to say, though, I will be doing a walkthrough of The Last of Us Part 2 as well. So definitely look forward to that. The first one is probably going to take an hour, or it's probably going to be an hour special. Just to kind of show you guys a bit about the game and, you know, kind of just get into things. I really can't wait to play it. I'm going to jump on it as soon as I can, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So please do tune in, and this will be a long series of a walkthrough of The Last of Us Part 2. So hope you guys enjoyed this rather short video. Also, I hope you guys enjoyed my little guitar rendition of Shadow of the Valley of Death. I'm not sure who it's sung by. I should really know that, but it was a song that was sung by Ellie in one of the early trailers that was released around 2 years ago. And I really wanted to learn it. And it's relatively simple. It's only 3 chords, but there's like a finger picking pattern with the strumming pattern, which took a bit of practice, but I finally got there in the end. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that too. I look forward to seeing you guys in my walkthroughs. Until then, take care, stay safe, peace.